In this video, I will show you the most efficient ways to climb the ranks and level up fast in one state RP without breaking a single law. If you want to earn respect and unlock new opportunities quickly, the secret lies in consistency and smart job selection. Start your journey by heading straight to the courier department or the local delivery center. These entry-level jobs provide a steady stream of experience points for every successful drop-off you complete. While you are driving, make sure to follow all traffic regulations to avoid fines that slow down your progress. Once you have earned enough experience to unlock the emergency services, apply for a position as a medic or a police officer. These roles offer significantly higher experience rewards for every shift you complete and every citizen you help. Remember that staying active and completing your daily tasks is the fastest way to maximize your gains. If you stay dedicated to your shift and avoid legal trouble, you will see your level soar in no time.